Welcome back to Aaron's 1972 Datsun 510. Today, it's going to be a pretty short day for me. However, it just depends how I stitch these videos together for you. Today, I'm going to take this brushable seam sealer and I'm going to start putting it into the seams inside the car as well as along the front. This doesn't have to be real pretty because it's going under carpet or it's going under seats. So they suggest putting it on with a stiff brush. I've seen people use gloved fingers, so we're going to try that and see how well it works. Let's get to it. Hey guys, I am happy to feature some music made by a friend of mine. The link to his music is actually going to be down below. Go ahead and check it out. Alright, so I got the final, I got all of this seam sealed yesterday. As you see, sort of got all the gaps covered in all of the different floorboards. They're done, and I did the underside of the car. The only thing I have left to do is right here, and then I'll be able to call the this portion of the car seam sealed. So let's get that last little portion done. Alright, so in the next part of the video, I'm not taking the new camera in there with me. I'm going to go ahead and spray the floorboards real quick with just a single coat of the body match color. Again, I'm going to put down sound deadening here as well, so it's mainly just to get it looking a little bit nicer, but I am not redoing the whole inside interior of the car. You'll notice that I've got the outside covered because I don't want to overspray on Daniel's car, but even the inside, I'm probably going to have some overspray. I'm actually looking at replacing these seats anyway, so I'm not super concerned, but this is definitely not the 100% A+ way to do this. So don't do like me, actually protect your seats and everything like that. Thanks. GoPro stop. GoPro stop. Okay, it's not pretty, but it is all looking like the original color. Again, this is all going to be under the carpet, so I'm not super worried about it. It's more of just wanting it to look somewhat reasonable. Now I've got to go ahead and let it dry, and then whenever it dries, I'll actually then go back through and cut out some sound deadening and put that on the floorboard as well. I did notice one spot where I'm going to have to go back in with a grinder inside the car, which is sort of sad to me. Right up here, I've got a spot where I welded it that I forgot, so I'll have to get back in there with the grinder and actually take that out. That is where we're at right now. Again, just a few minutes of work this morning just to keep it moving forward, and we are moving, so that's good.
All right, decided I'd finally set up a end screen for all of my videos. If you like what you see, go ahead and click the subscribe button. That subscribe button lets me know that I'm doing good work. Also, don't forget to set up your notifications so that way it'll notify you whenever I post a new video. Over here you're going to see my newest video. And then finally, over here is what YouTube suggests should be the next video in this series. I've got all my videos set up in different playlists, so you should be able to see and track and follow whichever projects you feel like. Thank you for watching. Get out there and work on your car, and God bless.